So how do we put the hands together for that B section? Fairly straightforward. Remember, we're up here, finger 3 on C, position number 1. So we'll let the right hand introduce. You'll notice the phrasing, he sees you when you're sleeping. Throughout the whole song, the phrases tend to start on beat 4 of the previous measure. So the right hand plays by itself, they're on beat 4, and we're gonna go together, 1, 2, together on 3, and then together on 1 again, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And that would be number 4 then again. Okay, so we have it together. You can also think of it as this. There's a pattern. The right hand plays and then they go together. Then the right hand plays and then they go together. Then right, then together, right, left, right, together, right, together, right, together, and finish with the left hand. So now you've done that twice. Go ahead and pause the video and do that again if you need to. Watch me do that once. Just try it yourself until you get that clear. Now, for this next part, remember the right hand is going to move up there to that A, C, and we had said the left hand position switches. So rather than 2 whites and a black at the top, we have a black at the bottom and 2 whites at the top. And the right hand stays right where it is. It starts there on finger number 4. 1, 2, 3, right? So we said this is the same thing we just did starting on finger number 4, but everything has just shifted up the position. And in the left hand, we've got that F sharp diminished, and we're going to do the same pattern. So right, together, right, together, right. Now we have the GB, together, right. Remember G becomes sharp, together again. Okay, so the pattern is nice and straightforward. Right, together, right, together, right, together, right, left. All right, again, we have some introductory notes here. So be good, for goodness sake, together, and these guys are together also. So you're almost there. You're almost at the end of this B section. So be, these are 2 quick notes just because there are 2 words there. So be good, together, right, together, right, down you come, pivot over in the right, play that G, those G's, notice they're both G's, they're going to be played staccato, we'll add in the B, and we'll add in the F, and the left hand is right where it needs to be to start that chromatic walk down there. One more time for the A section. So that right hand is going to just do a quick adjustment so that thumb is back on E again, introduced with the G. Swap out the G. You'll notice this time I added in the F here. I haven't really been doing that for the song, but we can always add that in later. Left hand chord. And we're going to play that one more time, 4, 3, 2, and repeat that. So exactly the same as everything we've done so far. Still, even this part, the 3-note walk down, those 4 notes are exactly the same. The left hand now is in that D. Remember the 2, 4, this is the same as the last time, but we're not going to reach down to play that B. Instead, we reach up to this D, play it by itself, come on down and play the E, C. Also, it's just right. There's nothing in the left hand there. During that time, the left hand moves down to the C position, but instead of playing any kind of a chord, we're just going to do that walk to C. And one more pulse at the end on the C, E, and the C, G, and the song is done.